Hi dears, welcome back. This is your EVS class. Today we are going to learn and discuss about one interesting topic. Okay, before that, I will ask some questions to you. Do you know what's this? Yeah, it's one sweet. Can you guess what sweet is this? Yeah, this is mango puppet. Okay, mango puppet. Then most of the, for example, Andhra Pradesh state, they are oftenly make the mango pepper. Why they are make the mango pepper, do you know? Yeah, for certain season only we can get the mangoes. They want to eat the mango throughout the entire year, means they want to make some preservation method. Okay, likewise, they are use the mango pulp, and using the mango pulp, they are using the mango puppet. Okay, this another name is mummy di dandra. Okay, what? This another name is mummy di dandra or mango puppet. Puppet means appalam. Okay, mango puppet. Okay, then how can they make the mango puppet? Mummy di dandra means they wants to need the one a cup of mango pulp. Okay, mango pulp. Mango pulp and sugar and sunlight, it is enough for them making this wheat. Okay, okay dear. But my question is, how the mangoes, where can we get the mangoes? Yeah, very good, from the trees. Okay, how the trees are planting? Which one is most important to grow a plant? Which one is most important to sow? Yeah, very good. Seed. Okay, from the seeds only we can get the mango plant. Okay, are you understand? From the seeds only we can get the mango plant. Not only mango plant. If we need one plant tree, means definitely we have seed. Okay, so today lesson also we are discussed about how the seeds are become a plant, how the seeds are become a tree, what are the stages it's have. Likewise, we are clearly discussed in this class. First we want to need a plant, means first we need a what? Seed. Okay, seed means nuts. This all nuts also comes under of the seeds. Okay, okay dear. See, why we want to eat the sprouted grains? Why we want to eat the sprouts? How the sprouts are made up of? Yeah, how the sprouts are made up of means, we first take one bowl, then we filled with the bowl in water, then we apply some channas or whatever grains. Okay, then we leave it one day. Okay, we leave it one day night, then after that one day morning, then in night time we tightly tied the grains with the one pure cloth or one closed box. Okay, in closed box, then after the day, if we open that box or cloth, means we will get them sprouted. Okay, so can you guess what are the things we need to sprouted the grains? Yeah, we need the water, then we need the air. Okay, these kind of the things is most important to sprouted the seeds. Okay, we know already that nuts and seeds have high in protein. If we eated the sprouted nuts and seeds, means we get extra protein. Okay, it's definitely good for our health. Okay, hereafter you definitely eat the nuts and seeds, sprouted nuts and seeds. Okay, okay dear. Now we will learn about what is mean by germination. Okay, what is mean by germination? If I have a what plant? Yeah, if I have chili seeds. Okay, if I have chili seeds, but I want to need the chili plants, means what we want to do? Yeah, we want to sow the seed from the to the soil. Okay, the soil is the most important one. Can we sow a seed in this floor? No, it can't grow. Because why means the soil is the most important one to grow up, sow a seed and grow a plant. Okay, so the soil is the, if we need the plant means the soil is the most important one. The next one, if we sow a seed in the soil means then we want to pour the water. Then the oftenly the sunlight also falls on the water. Then only we get within 1 week or 2 week, we get a baby plants. Okay, small plants. Okay, okay dears. Yeah, the sunlight, and just now I told that the sunlight is most important one. Okay, for example, you take one some of the seeds, whatever your wish. Okay, which kind of seeds you have, you just sow a seed in the uh, two bowls. Then you pour the water in to the two bowls in every day, but you should keep the one bowl in direct sunlight. Okay, you have to still watch it within 1 week, which bowl seed is grow. Yeah, which bowl is we keep in under of the sunlight, that bowl seed only sprout. We know very well that. Okay, the sunlight is most important one. Okay, if the seed want to grow, if the seed wants to change like a plant or tree means, four things are, yeah, three things are important. The first one is soil, the second one is water, then the third one is sunlight. The baby plant name is called seedling. Okay, the baby plant name is called seedling. Now are you understand, dears? Okay, okay. Then plants need water, air, sunlight, soil and warmth to grow well. Just now I told that. Okay, the plants need water, the plants need water and air and sunlight and soil and warm. Okay, warm means it's too hot means it's not the good for the plant. Okay, germination, seedling. Okay, we need the warm. Okay, okay, dear. The next one is germination. Yeah, like this process is called germination. First, we want to sow a seed in the ground, in the soil. Then every day we must pour the water. Then we clarify that the seed face the sunlight or not. Likewise, then the small sprouted is come out from the soils. Then it's grow little bit. Then this leaves is comes out of the seed. Then it's grow. Then finally it's change a seedling. Then finally it's change a plant. Okay, this process is called germination. Okay, okay dear. Then we know very well about our body parts, and same wise we know some of them know that the parts of plants also: flower, fruit, root, stem, leaf. Finally, we have to classify it into two system. One is root system, the another one is shoot system. Okay, what is the? Do you know which part is called kitchen of the plant? Which part of the plant is called kitchen of the plant? Yeah, very good. Leaves. Okay, leaves are called kitchen of the plant because they only prepare the food. Okay, from the sunlight. We know that. Then root only absorb the all waters and transport to the all parts of the plants. Okay, okay dear. The next one, the seeds store food for the baby plant. Do you know? Yeah, the seeds, the small seeds store the food for the babies. Yeah, the babies wants to come out from the soil means definitely it must need some energy. Who won't give the energy for the plant seed? Plant. Yeah, who won't give the energy for us? Our mummy. When we are child, when we didn't take any food for ourselves, That time our mummy only help to us, our mummy only feed the milk for us. The same way the seed also stores some food for the baby plant. See the parts of the plant. Yeah, just now we know the parts of the plant, but today we are learn about the parts of seed. Okay, parts of seed. Yeah, seed coat. This is the seed coat. We can broke that, it's only protect the seeds. Okay, then this pot is the food of plant. Okay, food of seed, the stores food. Then this place only embryo, this place only baby plant come out from this. Okay, this is called food. You have to take some seeds, then you have to broke, that means you easily seen that. For example, black grains and channas, likewise you easily found that seed code and stores the food embryo or the baby plant, and baby plant also you can see that. Okay, okay dear. Then we have to learn about the types of seed. We know very well about the types of plant. For example, trees, herbs, and creepers, climbers, like that we know very well that. But do you know the types of seed? Yeah, type there are two types of seed in our world. What means one is monocot and the another one is dicot. Okay, monocot means mono. Mono means one. Di means two. Cot means cartilidon. Okay, shortly I give cot. Okay, mono means one. Di means two. Okay, monocot seeds and dicot seeds. What is mean by monocot seeds? Monocot, we know very well about this is seed. Okay, monocot seed means this is the difference between the monocot seeds and dicot seeds. Okay, if this is also seed coat. This also the brown color also seed coat. This also only, see, this is the major difference between monocot and dicot. This is only embryo. This is two leaves. See, this is two baby plant. Okay, then there is only one place to store the food. There is two place to store the food. This is the difference between monocot and dicot plants. Okay, monocot means then major difference. How can we find out the monocot plants means? If the baby plant come out from the soil, that time only one leaf we can see means that is called monocot. Okay, when the baby plant come out from the soil, that time you have to see two leaves means that is called dicot plant. I already told that mono means only one, di means two. Okay, you have to see in your home the all plants must be comes under of the monocot plant or dicot plant. Mono means one, di means two. Okay, okay dear. The next one we have to, okay, if the plant is baby plant means we can easily find out from the leaves, the baby leaves. But the it's grow up, it's tree means how can we find out this is monocot tree or this is a dicot tree? How likewise how can we understood? Yeah, see the leaf veins. Using the leaf veins, we can see the dicot or monocot. Mono means only one narrow strips only there, but di means it is divided into two parts. Okay, so this is the major difference between monocot and dicot. Then we have to use the we have to find out easily from the flowers also. For example, monocots means it's parts of trees. Okay, one trees are three, two trees are six, three trees are nine. Likewise, the if you pluck one flower, then you have to count the petals. Means if the flower have three petals or multiples of three petals, means it comes under of the monocots. Okay, if you count the petals of flowers for fours and fives, means fours are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, likewise. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, likewise. If you see means, that is called die cuts. Okay, you have to collect more flowers, then you have to classify it. Yes, this is 3 parts only it have, that's why it's the monocot plant. This is 5 5 petals it's have the, so it is dicot plants. Likewise, you have to, what, you have to separate that. This is your project. Okay, okay dear. Then from the roots also we can find out which one is monocot, which one is dicot. Monocot have fibrous root. Okay, fibrous root. How can I say fibrous root means? This is called fibrous root. For example, coconut tree and palm tree and grasses. Most of the grasses have fibrous root. If the plant have fibrous root means, that is comes under of the monocots. If the plant have the narrow and long and deep uh, root means, that is called tap root. Okay, that is called tap root. This is example of dicots. Okay, okay dear. The next one, do you know about one thing? Which grasses grow easily? Yeah, the bamboo grass only. It can grow very very fastly. But do you know one thing? This is the bamboo seed. Bamboo seed, it's look like our rice. Okay, but this cost is too high. For example, in shop, 1 kg normal rice is 30 rupees means, the bamboo rice rate is 500 rupees. 1 kg, 1 kg is 500 rupees. So it is the very costliest rice. It's have more health benefits. That's why most of the peoples like to eat bamboo rice. Okay, okay dear. Bamboo seeds, do you know one thing? If you sow a seed, bamboo seed, in today, after 5 years only, the sprouted can come out from the soil. The seedlings come out from the soil after 5 years. What, ma'am? Just now you say it is the fast growing grass like that. Then you just now you say it's take 5 years like that. What means? It's from for the 5 years. It's move the root along the soil. Okay, it's strong their root. Then only the root is strong means, after that the bamboo easily grow very fastly. This is the reason, this is the fact about the bamboo. Okay, if we sow a seed today means, after 5 years only we can see the seedling. But from the for the 5 years, the bamboo sprouted the spread the roots along the soil. Okay, okay dear. The next one, for example, if one home have enough family members, they want to separate their home. How they are move one place to one another place? Yeah, they are move some modes of transport. Okay, the same way, see this place, this is forest. The plant don't have enough place to growing up. Okay, growing up, that's why the seeds also dispersal. Okay, the seeds also planning to dispersal. If we want to move one place to another place means, that is called transport. Okay, transfer. For example, if the seeds want to move one place to another place means, that is called dispersal. Okay, dispersal. uh, what are the modes of transport we are using to move one place to another place? Yeah, we are using land transport, air transport, water transport. The same way, the plants also move one place. The seeds also dispersal means, the seeds wants to dispersal means by wind. The same way, air transport, water transport, and land transport, and explosion. Okay, okay. By wind means, yeah, If for example in our home also we see this cotton seeds. Okay, in our areas we are say, yeah, this is Gandhi Tata, likewise. But just now you today you are say like this or not, I don't know. But when I am childhood I say like this. Okay, from Yes, also some of the seeds, small weight seeds, also move one place to another place. It's dispersal. Then by water, yeah, the coconut and heavy things, but it's look like a small weight things, but it's look like a big things. Likewise, the coconut also dispersal by the water, then by animals. The animals means some of the animals body, animals hair attached some seeds. Then the birds also eat some things. Then it's sit any places, or when it's moving, when it's flying, that time the seeds also comes under of the soil. Okay, likewise the birds and animals also disperse the seeds. Then by explosion means by burst. Okay, bursting method, some of the seeds can burst. Then it's disperse the seeds. Okay, okay dear, the next one. Yeah, just now I say the all seeds also dispersal one place to another place. The same way, today in our kitchen, we don't cook without chili and tomato and potato. Do you know where it's come from? Where it's came from? Yeah, it's came from South America. Potato and tomato and green chili came from South America. Then cabbage and green beans also come from, yeah, Europe. Okay. The next one, coffee and ladies finger, coffee, then cabbage. These are the food I these are the vegetables is most important to our Indian cooking, for example our side. But see this, the ladies finger seed and coffee seeds also comes from the Africa. Okay, do you know him? Yeah, he only find the velcro means your uh, belt and slipper have some binding method. Okay, they have some binding method. This method is invented by him. Okay, one day he was run on the road, and that time he, after that he went his home. He saw his dog. The dog body totally uh, pinch some seeds. Then he thought, yeah, the body, the dog body also softest one. Then the seeds also have some hooks. Likewise, this is easily attached by the hair skins. Like that, he was thought. Then he make that Velcro's method. Okay, okay, dear. See, just now I said the dog have some seeds. Using this way they are using these kind of slippers, belts, like that. Okay, bags also. Then do you know about this plant? Yeah, this is the very dangerous plant. For example, if any insect moving near of this plant, it suddenly eat that insect. Okay, this name is Nepenthes. Okay, this name is Nepenthes. Okay dear, I thought this today class is enough. This is your, for your speaking practice. What would happen if plants could walk? Okay, you have to think about, then you have to talk in your own way. Okay, thank you.